Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you the important setting you need to turn off right now to stop Android from sharing your phone numbers to scammers, or you want to block spam calling from your line. Consider to watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how to get rid of scam call, how you can stop spam calls on your line, and how you can actually stop Android from sharing your phone number without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone setting. Then having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. Then you have to make sure you look for Google. So click on Google right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for phone number sharing. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Now allow Google to show you a screen that lets you choose a phone number to share when a third-party app requested your phone number. So consider to turn this off. So if you turn this off, it simply means that your phone number will not be sharing to anyhow person. Your phone number will not be shared to any apps or any website without your consent. So this is the first thing you need to turn off right now. So let's head over to our Chrome browser. So for you to head over to your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to simply click on your Chrome browser right here. On getting to your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. Then take you right here, click on settings. Then take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on addresses and more. So by default, you may have your address and your phone number right here. So what you need to do is to simply turn this off. Lastly, we have to exit from here and we make sure we simply go back to our phone settings. So I have to make sure I look for my phone settings again. So right here, click on my phone settings. Next thing we want to do is to look for permission manager. So we can make use of search icon right here. And what we want to do here is to simply type in permission manager. Just like so. So click on permission manager right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Then go to permission manager. Then it's going to take you to all the information you have under permission manager. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and go to contacts. Then you will be given all the apps on your phone that have access to your contact. What you can do here is to simply scroll down and take a look at the apps that you don't want them to have access to your contact. Like for instance, I'm going to click on TikTok right here. Now, contact access for this app, I'm going to simply disable it. Don't allow, because your contact can be linked to scammers and any other person that you don't want them to receive, that you don't want them to call you. It's as simple as that. You can go back to the apps. You can check and see anyone again that you would like to deny from having access to your contact. You can go on and check them out one after the other. It's as simple as that. By turning off this important setting, you are safe from receiving calls from scammers. You are safe from hundreds sharing your phone number to unsolicited people online or across third-party apps. And also, you are safe from receiving spam calls from different type of people you don't imagine in your life from calling you. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in in my next video. Bye for now.